Every time when I get asked to this question from number of international students who wants to study here in the UK, and when we look at UK student visa, it's very important to understand conditions of the UK student visa. A student visa is granted for the main purpose of yes study. Permission in the visa category allow a student to study and work with a student union as a sabbatical officer, but the rules don't allow students to claim public funds. So coming back to a question, can an international student start a business here in the UK on student visa? The answer to your question is no, you cannot start a business in the UK or operate as a self-employed, because this is simply not allowed under UK student visa conditions. Obviously, this is very unfortunate for international students. However, this is a fact which we cannot avoid. There are, however, certain things which you can do on your student visa, which I will come in a minute. What you cannot do is register with HM Revenue and Customs as self-employed, work for companies in which you are the controlling shareholder, work for the companies in statutory roles such as a director, trade or establish a trading presence including test markets. Let's explain this in more details. You cannot work for a business in which you have financial or other significant beneficial interest in a capacity other than as an employee. For example, if you set up a business as a sole trader or under a partnership arrangement, and that business is either trading or establishing a trading presence, then that's mean you have significant beneficial interest in it. Secondly, if you are employed by a company in which you hold share of 10% or more, including where the shares are held in a trust for you, so in that case you are significant controlling person and ultimately have a beneficiary interest in the company. And finally, if you work for a company where you also hold a statutory role such as a director, that's prohibited. However, you are allowed to do certain pre-business activities which will not considered to be engaging in business activities. So you can be carrying out preliminary activities such as writing a business plan or negotiating a contracts and incurring pre-trading costs with a view to deciding whether to start your business, so that's permitted. Also, you are permitted to do business activity if you are endorsed by university and have applied for your startup visa, but there is no decision yet. I hope now you have understood you cannot do a business or be a self-employed here in the UK on your student visa. I understand this is very unfortunate, but this is a fact. We cannot avoid this. Now, next two videos are very crucial. So in the first video, I will explain what will happen if you come in the UK and you have foreign income and gains. And in the second video, which obviously will be a fifth video of this series, I will answer to your questions, roughly 30 plus questions which we collected from international students. So until next video, please do let me know if you have any question. Please drop a line below in the comment section. I would more than happy to answer your questions. And as previously requested, if any of your family member, your friend, your colleague would beneficial from this video or from any of the previous videos, it would be a huge thank you for me if you please share this video or any of my previous video or over on my channel with him or her, either privately or in a group chat. So until the next video, please stay tuned. As always, hand ahead salute until the next video.